penny set. We're making another slime video. I got all my ingredients and stuff. I tried to make slime, but last time it didn't really turn out, so it kind of like sticks to your hands. Yeah, it's kind of too wet. Okay, sorry about the noise in the background. I have 2 bottles of glue. I already used a bottle of glue that has water in it. What you'll be needing today is glue, neon food coloring or any food coloring. Laundry detergent. I have games and something to stir in, mixing utensils or anything, and a little bit of water. So okay, I'm back. I was just getting my utensils. Okay, so what you're gonna start off with. Okay. No. Yep. Okay, we have something to mix with, and okay, so let me just rinse this. Okay, I have this. Let me just dry it. Okay, so you'll be needing to get your glue ready. You'll be okay, you just dry this off, and you'll be okay. I have to have like a platform stand thingy, so there. I got my shirt. Okay, so you'll be using your glue and pouring mine is going to open. Okay, not okay. Okay. Okay, so you have your glue, and I'm only pouring a little bit, because last time, I'm afraid it will not work out. Okay, you'll be pouring some glue in your thing, your container. Okay, I'm gonna have about, like, that much. Yes, and add your food coloring, whatever food coloring you want. I'm gonna be adding pink today, and so I'll put 1 drop of food coloring in it, because food coloring is kind of strong, and then just start mixing that together. Yeah, this is what mine turned out to be like. That's really strong. Oh, there's just some glue left on the bottom. Okay. There. Just
you go on. I've got some work to do. Great, thanks. I'll see you around.
okay. Okay, and then get like half a teaspoon, kind of. Then start like adding it little by little. and then it'll start forming. But you might have to mix it for a very long time, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, so yes. Let me just move this kind of in the middle. Kind of. There you go.
We're definitely too old for trick-or-treating. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
No question about it.
Now mine is starting to form, kind of.
On the other hand,
I don't know. So
I've been working all night.
oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know, I just watched a video on YouTube and this is not working out. So this is turning out so terrible. Like, literally, this is so bad. Ew, it's so water. Ew, this turned out like the last one. What? Okay. Ew. This is hurting it so bad. Okay, maybe. Okay. This is turning out so bad. Okay. Guys, look at this. Turning out so bad. You have to keep your hands wet, like. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, my last purple one was sitting out for a while, and I'm just gonna mix that with the pink one, maybe. I don't know. Oh, that looks nice. This is a nice color. Like, look, guys. You can't really see it, but so that's all for today. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. So, bye guys. Wait. Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.